close to the San Andreas fault line. It almost looks like some of this was caused between flooding and maybe an earthquake. Another good view from up here. To check it when this is what we climbed up here for, is to see the heart.